Hi, I'm Rio, and I'm the owner of Kim's Sushi and Bell Repair. Today, I'm doing a restoration on a pair of Chanel ballerina flats that retailed for around $750. The heel plates have worn out, so now I'm taking off the old heel plates with an opener for the replacement. Now I'm sanding the leather bottom soles of the shoes to make them even and also roughen up the surface to enhance adhesion as I attach the leather soles with new rubber soles later. The bottom of shoes have become worn out, so they need protection soles. I'm preparing new rubber soles and rubber heel plates. I'm drawing a line in pencil to mark where the new sole goes. The front soles have become detached, so now I'm applying a leather glue to reattach them. I'm using a glue brush to apply leather glue to the bottom of the shoes where the new rubber soles goes. I'm leaving shoes for around 20 minutes to dry the glue on the bottom of the shoes before I'm adding a second coat. Bottom soles are dried now, so I'm using a heat gun to warm up the both leather soles and rubber soles to adhere better. I'm using a hammer to press new soles onto the shoes. Now I'm cutting the edge of rubber soles and heel plates with a knife. And using a grinder machine to trim the edge of shoes. I'm using a horsehair brush and suede brush to remove dust from the shoes. And I'm using a suede cleaner to clean the suede area with a suede cleaning brush. Especially I have to be more careful with reviving faded suede because the color was irregularly faded and some part of suede nap was missed. I'm brushing the shoes after cleaning them to reflect the suede pile. Now I'm using a masking tape to cover non-suede area to avoid any damage from dyeing suede. I'm using a paintbrush to apply suede dye to suede area and doing this a couple of times. The leather on the shoes have become scuffed and faded, so I'm going to re-dye them. I'm using a black leather dye with a paintbrush to re-dye the leather. I'm using a leather paint to retouch up the edge of the shoes. I'm applying a finisher to leather toe box and leather sole edges to protect paint from minor scratches or scraps. Now I'm applying a waterproofing spray to protect shoes from water damage. Mink oil is a product made from the fatty layer under mink skins. It took a couple of days to complete the repair.